In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Facebook Marketplace without your friends seeing your listing. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to sell something discreetly without broadcasting it to your entire friends list. So let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Facebook website. You'll need to be logged into your account, so if you're not already, go ahead and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll be on your Facebook homepage. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a column with several options. Scroll down until you find the See More option and click on that. This will expand the list, revealing more Facebook features and apps that are available to you. Next up, look for Marketplace in this expanded list. The Marketplace is a wonderful place on Facebook where you can buy and sell items locally. Click on it to navigate to the Marketplace homepage. You'll notice a wide array of items for sale, but today we're more interested in creating our own listing. Once you're in the Marketplace, you'll see an option to create new listing. Go ahead and click that option. This is where you'll set up your listing with all the necessary details. Think of this section as your blank canvas to showcase your item. You can add photos, a descriptive title, the price, and any other pertinent information that will help buyers understand what you are selling. Take your time filling out these details as they are crucial in attracting potential buyers. Now, for the part that ensures privacy. Once you have all your listing details in place, you'll need to scroll down through the listing options. As you move down, keep an eye out for the settings or privacy options related to your post. Here, you'll want to look for and check the box that says Hide from Friends. This simple step is crucial. It ensures your post stays visible to the general Facebook Marketplace audience but remains hidden from your friends, maintaining your privacy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have now created a marketplace listing that's hidden from your Facebook friends. This enables you to reach a wider audience who are just as interested in what you have to offer without notifying your entire social circle. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need to post discreetly on Facebook Marketplace. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe for more insightful tips and share this with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.